Here at Land Rover York, we are pleased to present this Eiger Grey Defender X Dynamic HSE with 22-inch sparkle silver alloys. The added black features make a great impact on the look of this car, as well as having the side steps and privacy glass to the rear of the car. The boot is a great size, and you can see the 40-20-40 split seats. In the back of the cabin you can see the panoramic roof and then the great condition of the Acorn and Lunar leather and Robustec seats with the Isofix points. In the front of the car you can see the memory settings and Meridian Sound System, the electrically adjustable steering wheel and the sliding panoramic roof, and again the great condition of the seats. On the multifunction steering wheel, you have the heated steering wheel controls, cruise control, mobile phone settings, and as well as the interactive driver's display. The centre console consists of a gear selector, climate controls, and driving dynamics for various driving modes. The 11.4-inch touchscreen allows access to the sat-nav, the 360-degree camera and radio with DAB, Bluetooth. And also, as well as other apps, you get the heated seats, which in this vehicle we have heated and cooled front seats. As well as this, our Defender benefits from the clear sight rear view mirror, which can be turned on and off. If you would like any further information on this Defender, please get in touch with the details provided. Thank you.